Okay folks, in this tutorial here we're going to demonstrate how to use the prompt method. So we'll add on to our JavaScripting introduction here. So I'm going to start by going to my desktop, right click, create a new text document. Again, we'll rename this one. This one I'll call lesson 5.2, and then we'll change it to HTML, HTM. Again, I get my message about renaming it in file associations. Okay, let me open that now. Okay, so we'll put our HTML tags in. We'll put our body in for our document. And then let's put a little bit of HTML text in here. Again, I'll use the heading command, and we'll just put lesson 5.2 methods and the prompt command, or prompt. Close the tag. I'll save it now. Let's open it up with our web browser. Resize it so we get it fitting in our window. Okay, there we go. So we got to start here. Alright, let's add our scripting information. And this one is compared to our other video. Here I'm going to put the script just above the body. We'll say script type equals text / JavaScript. Close the tag. Okay, so let's introduce a couple new things here. First, I'm going to put some comments in. The way we put a comment in is with 2 /, and all comment allows us to do is nothing gets executed in the actual script or program. It just allows us to document or provide additional information for somebody else reading the program or the script. Documenting your program and your code is really important because in most development environments you don't have a single person writing the code, you're working in a team. So I'm going to go ahead and document my code here, and I'll go ahead and put my name in there. I'll put today's date. And I'll also put the name of this assignment. So this is lesson, what did I say, 5.2. Okay, so I put these in here, and I'll save it. I'll go back and run refresh my page to run the script. If you see, nothing's really changed because nothing gets executed with documents. All documents do is for the programmer or for somebody actually reading the source code. Alright, so make sure you document your code. This will be a requirement on this first assignment you do here. Alright, let's actually have this do something now. Alright, we're going to use the prompt command. By the way, JavaScript is case sensitive, so if you see me writing in fact, let's do something wrong with this here. Let's go ahead and use prompt, and we'll use a capital P. I always end any line with a terminator. Save that now. Nothing happens. Okay, it didn't execute the prompt command because I have an error here. I have an uppercase P instead of a lowercase p. Okay, so let me put a lowercase p in, and then we'll explain the prompt command here. Okay, what prompt command allows me to do is to get input from my user. So we have the alert command or method that goes ahead and allows us to display something on a screen, which is output. We use the prompt method to get input, which allows the user to put something in. And really our whole programming scheme here is going to be input, do some processing, and then send back out some output. Okay, so let's execute this, save it. I execute it, and if you notice here now, in a similar way to the alert, I get in our message box, but whatever I put inside as text shows up right here, and then I can actually put some input in. Okay, so I can actually send something into my script that I wrote. I'll click OK. All right, nothing happens because we haven't told it to do anything yet. All right, so ideas illustrated here. We looked at how to put comments in our code. Now we're using the prompt to get input into our code.